How to use a yo-yo in Terraria. So equip your yo-yo from your inventory. So I have the Valkyrie yo-yo, and just like any other weapon, aim your cursor directly at an enemy. So let's try to find one first right here. So here I have found a Slimer. So aim at the enemy, hold it down just like that. So hold down your attack button, and basically the yo-yo flies out and stays active as long as you keep holding it. Just like that. Also keep your cursor locked on the target to land continuous hits instead of just one passing swing. So as you can see right there. So just basically release the button whenever you want it to retract back to your hand, just like that. For extra range and speed, add a yo-yo bag to your inventory. As you can see, it gives the user master yo-yo skills. It specifically boosts yo-yo stats above other accessories. So as you can see, I have equipped it. And there you go, I have increased range and speed just like that. And you could also use a yo-yo glove, and it allows the use of 2 yo-yos at once. So basically master this hold and aim technique, and yo-yos quickly become one of the strongest early to mid game weapons around. And that's how you basically use a yo-yo in Terraria.